Welcome. Oh,
Hurry up.
here we go. So guys, we have got a big Rlaarlo shipment, and I don't just mean big, I mean this big. No, you don't need that. We're using this one.
We're using that one.
New technology today because I'm trying to take the little mics
away
next week. Because I'm going to the Worlds. Did you know?
I knew.
I'm pretty excited.
You keep telling me every 10 minutes.
Well, I'm pretty excited. I've been for a road trip for a while, so going to head up to Hume.
Customers are getting excited about this. I've just had it sitting on the counter, and people are just going off their nut.
Doesn't it look good? This is 1/7 scale crawler, and it's what I would call ridiculous levels of detail.
Full interior, although they're a bit shiny, those seats.
Well, just
I think
like
your ass might slide around on it. Well, yours in particular.
Yeah, but it's not from the shiny seat.
No.
Look at the
it's from the lube.
Look at the suspension
articulation.
Yeah, articulation. It is amazing.
Even when it falls off the tabletop like that.
Me just hitting it like that.
Oh, okay.
Have a look at that. That is awesome. I love this thing.
Super cool.
Has locking differentials. All the lights work. Has working wipers. So it's got like a 10-channel transmitter that comes with it, right? Yeah. This is ready to run. You just need a battery and charger. But you can turn the wipers on and off. The steering wheel moves with the steering, not through a linkage or anything prehistoric like that. It's actually got another servo. I'll show you that in a minute. Yeah. But have a look at some of this cool detail.
You're waiting to show them the party trick.
I'm trying not to squash the laptop in the meantime.
Yeah.
Check this one out.
Look at this out. An Adventure King's awning.
Look at this.
Look at that.
So this one clips into the little legs here to keep it taut like a toiger.
Oh, we like it taut.
There's like a hole in there or something.
Yeah, I figured that. As usual, I can never find the hole.
There you go.
I'm just going to do one.
And then it's got little legs that pop out.
As have I.
Look at this.
Look at that.
You've got an adventure awning. It looks nice when it's all square. Yeah. But you get the gist of it. How cool is that?
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
And when you want to
do the party trick.
When you want to go for a little nap on the trails, boom.
You always do.
Look at this. You've got a pop-up tent, and there is little wires in there to hold it up, so it does pop up. So you can recreate a whole camping scene for your little man. You like it? You've got to roll it up now.
Yeah, I know, you bastard.
Here, let me have a look at this.
You've impaled me on my tent. Oh.
Wouldn't be the first time.
No.
It is Friday. I'm just going to roll this up because I want to pop the hood. I'm going to show you what's under the hood. Now there is clips for this, which I've just left on my desk, which is good. Doesn't have any body mounts. Clips.
It's hinged at the rear, just like you.
Hinged at the rear.
Yeah, hinged at the rear, and it's got these weird little things at the front. Once you work them out, they're okay. They're just a bit fiddly the first time. Here we go. You're going to struggle to actually put that up.
Look out, Rat. Oh, look at this.
That. We're going to go to overhead town?
We will go to overhead town. I'm just going to make sure that I'm safe, not ripping anything apart.
Yeah.
Check this out, TFG.
Look at that.
What a rig. Hey, let's come back a little bit. It's almost too big for the studio.
Yeah.
I'm hitting the camera and hitting everything. There we go. Look at this. We've got obviously full brushless speed controller because it's got a big brushless motor in it.
Big.
Isn't it? Look how long it is. Massive amounts of torque. It's not going to be fast, this thing. It's not really designed to be fast. It's not
meant for fast.
But I still reckon it gets up on boogies.
We've got metal case servo too.
45 kilogram servo. Waterproof, so don't get your finger jammed in there. Rip it off. You've got lock-in front diff, lock-in rear diff over here.
It's almost like the full size thing.
And you've got a 2-speed transfer case, so high range and low range for your gearing. This thing is epic. And have a look. I'm not going to be able to show it on camera.
I know you're going to try and show that. I'll lift this up.
I'm going to try. Right, have you got it? It's very awkward. I'm trying not to.
Hang on. All right, I've got this.
Have you?
I got this.
Look at this. We've got the servo here for the steering wheel and another servo for the wipers.
Yeah.
It is really, really cool.
That is so cool.
Isn't it? Rlaarlo are just smashing whatever they do.
There's no one makes anything like this.
They're just smashing whatever they do out of the park.
Yep.
Let me roll this up again. Look, see, I knew that would happen by flipping it over.
Yeah.
but you get the idea. But say TFG, I don't really like Jeeps.
No.
I like the wheels.
Yeah.
I like the concept. But
Yeah.
then, what if they did a Nissan? Why doesn't
What if they
anybody
do
do a GQ patrol? Right?
What I really need
You know what GQ
is a white GQ, but here's one I prepared earlier.
It's very white.
It's very white, but it does come with stickers to put on
It
there.
does come with detail straps on it.
and
it is the same
window tint
sneaker.
as well.
Window tint. I love it. I don't know that we can call it a GQ, but I'm going to say it looks a lot like.
It does look like a lot like one.
Or a Ford Maverick of the time.
Yeah, something where there were no rounded bits. Everything was square.
Now these are often referred to as a Toyota Land Cruiser recovery vehicle.
Yes.
For anybody who.
Yes.
Because there's always, like Ford and Holden.
Yeah.
You've got. GQ.
You're either a patrol or you're a Land Cruiser.
That's right. There you go.
Inside, same as the Jeep, just a little less things. There's no wipers.
little less things. A little less things. It doesn't have the wipers. It doesn't have the electronic steering wheel, but it has the same great running gear, same speed controller. Look at the quality of the wiring that these guys do with the sheathing.
Yeah.
And it is Friday. You must be sheathed on a Friday.
And it's not Friday, it's Thursday.
It is Thursday. It feels like a Friday.
It feels like a Friday because we're doing it live.
It does, doesn't it? I wouldn't even know what day it is. There you go. But that
happens no matter what day it is. It doesn't make any difference.
But it has full working lights.
Yeah.
And I love these things. So these just landed in store about half an hour ago.
Yeah.
Not very racy. You might know Tony and I for our racing things.
Yeah.
But our head rocket engineer,
Senor
Pereiro loves crawlers.
Yeah.
So we're trying to talk him into trying to sweeten him up to get one on his plate. But
yeah,
I don't know what's happening there.
Yeah, it's this is a cool thing. I mean, we can respect it no matter what. I mean, I love all the squishy suspension.
So you know, I live like close to the beach, right?
Yeah.
And we have a beach trolley that I drag behind. It's like a kid's toy thing.
Okay.
It's got all the esky and it's got the towels and stuff in it when we go to the beach.
What?